The brand new AW169. As funded by the people of Essex and Hertfordshire. It has large sliding doors for patients to easily put patients inside. The 4.8-ton helicopter has a twin engine, 10 seats. A 4-axis digital automatic flight control system. Dual flight management system incorporating terrain and traffic avoidance systems allows to be flown by a single pilot under instrument flight rules. Enhanced safety features. A high clearance of the main and tail rotors as well as the auxiliary power unit, APU. The AW169 can also be equipped with various avionics systems. Rockwell Collins glass cockpit displays with touchscreen interfaces. Digital maps, dual radar altimeters, automatic dependent surveillance, broadcast tracking. Health and usage monitoring systems, HUMS, and night vision goggles, NVG, compatibility. Both the British government and the EU provided loans to aid its development. The AW169 is powered by a pair of Pratt Whitney Canada PW210A FADEC turboshaft engines. The AW169 can be configured with numerous items of equipment, such as auxiliary fuel tanks, rescue hoist, cargo hook, emergency flotation aids, external cameras, rappelling fittings, wire strike protection system, mission consoles, external loudspeakers, and external lighting.